Vijay changed politics. Why is Pawan Kalyan still acting in politics? Two superstars entered politics. One asked youth to think about the future, the other attracted youth using religion, caste politics, and emotional speeches. Today, one leader is gaining credibility, the other is slowly losing political trust. Why is this happening? Let's connect the dots. Vijay did not enter politics shouting about religion. He did not divide people by caste. He did not build politics using community emotions. He started with one simple question: what future can I give the youth? When rumors spread about Vijay and Trisha, Tamil Nadu youth said clearly, his personal life is his choice. We care about governance. That is political maturity. Then came his vision: easy business loans for young people to start business, more jobs for local youth, a young advisory council where people can directly give ideas to government, support for creators, entrepreneurs, and new careers. Development first, drama later. Now look at Pawan Kalyan. He entered politics with massive hope. Youth trusted his honesty. Fans believed he would bring change. But the 2019 elections changed everything. He contested in two constituencies, lost both. His party won only one seat. At that moment, people expected clarity, a clear ideology, a clear governance plan, a clear political direction. And Pawan Kalyan, instead of developing debates, politics moved towards controversies, religious speeches increased, caste discussions became louder, public focus shifted to Aisha Mira case discussion, statements about missing girls.
ఈ సంఘ విద్రోహ శక్తులకు ఇస్తే వాళ్ళని వీళ్ళు కిడ్నాప్ చేయడం కానీ ట్రాప్ చేయడం కానీ జరిగి మిస్ అయిపోయారు ఇంతమంది.
The Tirupati Laddu issue, critics began questioning the direction. Youth were driven by emotion, not policy. Emotion created attention, policy created program. Observers say Pawan Kalyan increasingly relies on caste mobilization, especially appealing to the Kapu community. Religious sentiments became a political strategy. When youth moved towards caste pride and religious emotions, discussions about jobs, innovations, and development disappears. Politics becomes reaction, not future planning. Then comes alliances. Janasena aligning strongly with TDP and BJP created confusion. Are workers building Janasena or strengthening alliance partners? If power depends fully on alliances, where is the independent identity? Without clarity, trust slowly weakens. Cinema survives on emotional dialogues, politics survives on consistent direction. Critics say Pawan Kalyan energized youth emotions, Vijay is preparing youth for governance. One builds emotional followers, the other builds politically aware citizens. Today's generation clearly sees the difference. Fans can create a superstar, only vision creates a leader. So tell me, should youth follow emotional politics or development politics? Your answer decides the future. Comment below.